for the justification of why we feel that we should implement this action plan is number one, purely the benefits that come from CTE and STEM programs are there's a wide variety of them. CTE and STEM provide students with opportunities to develop skills that they will be able to use in future careers if they so desire. It is a great way for students to have hands-on experiences, obtaining skills, not just learning about skills, but actually obtaining those skills that will help them in their futures. And number two, they obtain wonderful knowledge about different things that are out there, different job opportunities, different careers. They have a more solid base in the different knowledge that is needed to be successful in careers that may have a STEM background in them. My second point here is a quote from Job Outlook, and they said that overall employment of agricultural and food scientists is projected to grow 7% from 2016 to 2026. So not only are students obtaining wonderful skills and knowledge, but it is also knowledge and skills that can prepare them to enter a workforce that is growing immensely and is projected to grow even more. So it is something that will be in high demand and is in high demand, and so it can be an exciting opportunity for students to be prepared for this workforce that is looking for new people to enter into it. The third point here is another quote from Job Outlook, and it says that challenges such as environmental concerns, whether that be climate change, more emphasis on preserving water resources and protecting the environment, and additional demand for agricultural products. With how our population is growing, there's an ever increasing need for food and other agricultural products that we rely on. It says this demand will continue to create demand for research in agricultural efficiency and sustainability. And so as students go through classes in CTE and STEM that are agriculturally related, they can have wonderful opportunities to learn about these challenges and find solutions to them and be able to use those skills and knowledge that they obtain as they enter into the workforce to make a considerable contribution. And the last point here is agriculture contains a great deal of science, technology, engineering, and mathematical elements. So right there, those are the main parts of STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And it is incredible all the different aspects that go into agriculture. There is a great deal of science where students can learn about soil science, plant science, and then with this action plan, as we're talking about, animal science, and look at the science behind the different techniques and procedures that people go through who are in this workforce, the technology that's involved. There are so many different kinds of technology that is being used to help make machines more efficient and be able to save on time and fuel and energy, to be able to make things more automated so that there's more can be done in less amount of time. And then engineering, the machinery that's involved in agriculture is incredible, and there's great potential there to make improvements. And then lastly, the mathematical elements. There's so many different things that go into agriculture that have to do with math, whether it's different rates for seeds and other products and pesticides, and figuring out the right feed ratios for cattle, and for beef cattle and dairy cows, and all these different things that take a lot of math. These are all important elements that students can be introduced to and learn about that all have to do with STEM. And it can be a great way for students to have this opportunity to be exposed to this exciting workforce and industry, and be able to obtain knowledge and skills that can prepare them for future careers in it if they so desire.